sometimes you may be downloading a lot of files or even processing a lot of things on the internet in your workflow. It is always very important for you to be aware, even if your task is being executed properly, or even if you are downloading some stuff from the internet or uploading stuff, you should be able to know if your code is being executing or not. One of the very useful Python library to do this is called the Rich library. There is a model on the Rich library called progress. So you can use this progress to just illustrate the progress bar, just to be aware of whether or not your task is being executed and at what point or what stage it is. In this video, I'm going to show a very quick example of how you can use the Rich library for this use case. So first, we are going to import track from the Rich progress. So we say from Rich progress, import track. We will use track instead of progress. And then because we are going to use time to monitor this, we will just import also the time library. And then we are going to look through a range of steps. So we will say for step in track, just look through a range of 100 with a description of process. You can actually change this depending on what particular task you are either uploading files or downloading. So in this case, I'm just going to use processing. And then we are going to just delay this by 0.1 seconds. So let's run. So you see that you are able to know at what stage your task is being executed, or even whether or not it's being successful or it failed at some point.